Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Currently, right now, Bitcoin is about the low 32,000s. I just kind of wanted to come in here and say that for this week of July 12th, it does look like Bitcoin price, or at least we are touching that 50 MA, right? It does look like we're touching that 50 MA, and there's a couple things that are going for Bitcoin right now, as opposed to the actual, to both sides, right? So on the bullish side, the only thing I see for Bitcoin on the weekly is we have that 50 over the 200, and we do have pretty easily to spot bullish divergence, right? So that's the only thing that I would give Bitcoin right now. We don't even have bullish divergence. It's just kind of, it's I wouldn't say bullish divergence. Bullish divergence would be price like this, right? Would be a lower low and then like a lower high. But as you guys can see, we don't even kind of have that. It's just sideways trading, right? Bullish divergence would be this. See if I can add that other one down here on the Stoke. It'd be like that. We basically made almost bullish divergence, right? We have this basically. So I mean, we can see that there is no bullish divergence, right? Because this one, the price is sideways, so we don't really have bullish divergence. So you know what, I think the only thing Bitcoin has going for it right now is just this support at 32.8. Apart from this and the 50 MA over the 200, it has nothing going for it. The reverse MACD is losing steam on the week for bullish momentum, and like you guys know, when the Stoke is already oversold and the reverse MACD, it creates an actual bear trigger, which is, hey, if you're short on this, if you're long, sell, which are basically these little green dots, right? And I think we're actually going to have another bear week, maybe even this week, but I think I'm like 90% sure we might actually see a bear week next week. So not necessarily this week, but the week after. And I think once that happens, what is this, 32K, not 32.8. I think once that happens, I think there's a really strong chance we close the following week under 32K, and that will be our road down to 26K. So I do think Bitcoin is starting that trail down to $26,000 right now, because we have that dying bullish momentum on my reverse MACD, and it just depends on how we close. It really just depends on how we close. But like what I've seen with crypto in the past, when the stochastic is already oversold and then it sells off again, usually that signals a very heavy move down. Usually that's what happens. I'd say 90% of the time, that's kind of what happens. When the Stoke is down here and we actually get weaker bullish momentum, or in this case we just get bearish momentum, that's usually what happens. We usually see a big sell-off. So I would not be surprised, if in the next 2 weeks or so, instead of seeing small candles from here, you see like 1, 2, maybe 3, 4 candles. You just see one big candle, like back here in May 17 and May 10th. You just see one big candle in 1 week from 32K all the way down to like 26,000, like high 2600s, right? Like I would not be surprised if that happens in the next 2 weeks. But yeah, again, still perfectly bearish on Bitcoin. There's no reason for me to be, bullish right now. 100% no reason for me to be bullish. I still think we're going down. So quick update on Bitcoin. I'll see you guys later. Have a great day.